Namaste students, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JBN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our topic is define small business with the roles and features of small business. So let's start about small business. It is not correct to say that the day of small industry are gone. Stelly has mentioned 5 distinct ways with the small industry successful with large industry. In first one, competition. Small industry can out-compete large industry in selected product. Some of these industry are bricks and tiles, fresh baked goods, condiments and preserved fruits, goods requiring small engineering skills, items requiring artistry and craftsmanship. In second one, supplementary. Small industry can fill the cracks between the big volume and standardized output of large factory. Stelly mentioned a Madras case where a small tricycle factory flourished alongside a large cycle factory. Third is components. A small industry can produce components for a large industry. This is the most common example of the small manufacturing sector, and many of them function under the protection of big industry. Very often, they also derive the advantage of a protected market with assured supply of their output to one or more selected large manufacturers. Next, initiation. A small industry can initiate new product and subsequently grow large with the growth of the product. Stelly mentioned that many of the automobile factories started this way in USA. In India, the elementary electronics industry looks like taking to this pattern of development. Next is servicing. A small industry can install, service and prepare the products of large industry. In India, these industries are growing in respect of major industry like refrigerator, radio and TV set, watch and clock, cycle and motorcycle and motor vehicles in respect of repairing, services and maintenance. It is thus obvious that growth of large scale industry does not necessarily bring about the end of quotas or small scale industries. Electricity has revolutionized large scale industry. At the same time, small units based on electricity can also be cheaply and conveniently started with limited infrastructure. Besides, many artistic goods, product of craftsmanship, and luxury goods do not lend themselves to standardization of large scale manufacturing and are largely reserved to the quotas, rural and small industry sector. Finally, new ventures, so long as they are in an experimental or formative stage, are first tried on a small scale, and it is only when their success is demonstrated and their profitability and capital base established that they are organized on a large scale. Small business always play an important role in the development of any country. As already mentioned, most of the industrial business activities start small with market opportunities and vision of entrepreneur. It grow into a large industry. There are a number of reasons why small business are important to our economy. In first one, they are important source of competition and challenge the economic power of large firms. They offer wide range of choice of consumer. Large business are more oriented toward the mass market, but small firms can serve specialized need. Third is They broaden the distribution of economy and political power. Next is, in many areas, they bring the development and provide local leaders with strong local roots. And fifth is, they are sources of innovation and creativity. They are providing large scale employment scattered all over the country. Next is, and last, they provide the ancillary support to large industry. Types of small business. They may operate in any of the following areas: A. Manufacturing, B. Trading, C. Services, and others. The definition of small business is given in relation to the investment made in plant and machinery not exceeding rate 60 lakhs and rate 75 lakh in case of ancillary industry, and rupees 5 lakh for tiny industry. And roles of small business in selecting industry for development in a new country, attention should be given to those industry which create condition favorable for the growth of our other industry, since this method will lead to the simulation development of many industry. Rosentation, Rodin advocate these line of development. India follow this path by constructing multi-purpose river valley and project, and by developing small scale industry. An underdeveloped economy should produce and export commodities that use relatively less capital per unit of output, and to import items requiring more capital. Professor Amartya Sen has come on the conclusion that the case of choosing relatively labor intensive technique in underdeveloped economy is not bad in many sectors of production. Small industry are capital light, skill light, labor intensive, and disparate. They are of quick investment type, and by carrying the job to the worker, they can overcome the difficulties and of geographical immobility. In condition of prevailing in many underdeveloped countries, the development of any small industry may be the most economic forms of industrialization. It may be more economic than either larger scale organized industry or cottage industry. Moreover, small industry represent much less of the break with previously established modes of living, and therefore modes representing less of strength than industrialization in the form of large units. In relation to quotas and small scale industry, the Industrial Policy Resolution 1956 state that they provide immediate large scale employment. They offer a method of ensuring a more equitable distribution of the national income, and they facilitate an effective and mobilization of resources of capital and still uh, mm, skill which might otherwise remain unutilized. Some of the problems that unplanned urbanization tend to create will be avoided by the establishment of a small scale industry production all over the country. The Industrial Policy Resolution puts forth four main roles of the small industry in Indian economy. First one is employment argument. The most important economy task before the country is the solution of an employment problem. The scope for creation of wage employment is limited as it depends of industrial growth, but there is a large scope for the creation of self-employment, and here the small industry can play a significant role. The development of the Indian economy over the last 4 decades has been characteristic. Another feature of the growth of non-agriculture sector during the last 40 years has failed to make any impact on the workforce. 62% people continue to depend on agriculture. This aspect of the economy has promoted the policy makers to turn to small industry for absorption of addition to the labor force, primarily to the small business are labor intensive and create more employment per unit of capital employed. A more sophisticated form of this argument should be developed because the capital output ratio for such enterprises is lower. Professor P.C. Mehta. Second is equality argument. Large scale industry generally lead to inequalities of income and concentration of economic power. On the other hand, an SSI leads to a more equitable distribution of produce of industry. In other words, the income generated in large number of small industry is dispersed more widely in a community than income generated in a few large enterprises. Third is latent resource argument. Small scale industry are capable of mopping up talent and unutilized resources. This argument justifies the cause SSI on 3 grounds. Next is decentralization argument. Decentralization argument is activity has also been advanced as another reason for promoting SSIs. Next is small business under 5-year plan. Our 5-year plan gave important place to the development of small units in order to provide greater employment opportunities, to mobilize local latents and skills, to exploit local resources, and to bring about decentralization of the industry as well as equitable distribution of income. Allotment of finance to the small scale sector was: first plan is rupees 49 crore, second plan 200 crore, third plan 246 crore, fourth plan 293 crore. Fifth plan 610 crore, sixth plan 1945 crore, and seventh plan 3249 crore, and eighth plan and last plan 6034 crore. In this session, important question asked in the examination: describe small industry with role, features and 5-year plan of small industry. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, any question, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.